Hi guys, we're going to be opening the M14. I already took off the lid. We got 6 tins. This tin, this tin, the Superior tin, and another Superior tin, and the Samurai tin again, and this was a Vim that I didn't know. And this is the M14. So I'm going to be taking 10 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, yeah. So these are the cards. Video. J. Gatito. Tentacool. Pikachu Delta species. Houndour. Fletchling, Unknown, Meditite, Starly, NK, Sableye, and Goldeen is a rare. Okay, Fiscal. Okay, so next we got wait. Sorry guys, 1, 2, 3. We had Kabuto, Luxio, Masquerain, which is reverse, Nuzleaf, Voltorb, Slakoth, Sentret, Arbok, Jolteon, and Pidgeotto's are rare. We still got a couple more packs to go, but it's not a lot. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 2. We got a reverse Hitmonlee, a reverse Crobat, a Servine, Rhyhorn, a Herdier, and almost done. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we got a Baltoy, Quilava Hollow, Lily Delta species, Grumpig, Heracross, Dusclops, reverse Gothorita, Altaria C, reverse Braxian, and a Herdier is a rare. Almost, guys. So close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Alright, we got a Mime Jr., an NK, an Aeron, a Belgium, a reverse Pidove, a Cyndaquil, a Ladybug, a Beautifly, Larvitar, and Houndour. And yeah, this is our last pack. We got a reverse Gloom, a Kabuto, Wartortle, Basculin, Palpitoad, Hallowlumion, Spritzee, Mr. Mime, and Drifblim is a rare. So this was part 1. So, see ya.